What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to locate or how to create a sitemap for your WordPress website into a simple, fast, effective and free method. Sitemaps, it's a really important thing. It's almost like the old Windows Explorer, a way to organize your page, your posts, your products, and sometimes you need this file to submit for Search Console to make your site appear on Google and other search engines. How to locate or how to create this? First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, enter your domain name plus WP admin, enter with your username, password, and you're going to be able to find the dashboard. Review the left side of menus and hover your mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add New or Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into Search Plugins field, type Yoast SEO, just like this. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins, and if it's your first time using Yoast, the plugin going to redirect you to the welcome page, a page where you can set up your information about your site, your logo, and other set things. Complete the setup wizard and review the WordPress dashboard once again. Into the left side, you're going to be able to find a new menu next to settings called Yoast SEO. Hover your mouse over it and hit the submenu Settings. Once on Settings, you're going to be able to find into this middle side General, Content Types, Categories and Tags. You're going to focus on General option, and right here we're going to go to Site Features. Review these tools right here. Scroll down to the very bottom and you're going to be able to find XML sitemaps. Enable the Yoast XML sitemaps. A sitemap is a file that lists website essential pages to make search engines can find and crawl them. So click on View Sitemap. Here is your sitemap URL and all the information about your site. We have pages, we have categories, we have authors, we have posts, and every single time you create a new post, a new page, or anything like this, the sitemap is updated, okay, to contains the post. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!